Hi everyone, Lisa here. Welcome to my channel, Vegan Vittoria. Today we're going to be doing something unique where I will go through a vegan grocery shopping list with you. It's a very common question I get from friends. How do I cook vegan food? I don't know where to go, I don't know what to buy, I don't even know where can I find all these items. I tell them something really radical. You know, you can find these products all at regular grocery stores, in your local communities. You can also find them online. You don't have to leave your house. You can shop on Amazon. It's like the perfect combination. So cheap, easy, and healthy, ready for you. Now, what I'm going to do with you today is show you what to buy at the grocery store, and it'll be a variety of the dry goods so you can stock your pantry. Then we'll also do the refrigerated items so you'll have those on hand as well in your fridge and your freezer. So we're gonna set you up for success. So you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. I love posting photos of like funny vegan memes or of course great recipes, and I do promote my own recipes and even others because I love to share. So I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Also, if you have a particular vegan meal that you would love for me to make in the video, I would be so happy to share that with you. So just reach out to me and tell me what your requests are. It could be a traditional type of dish, non-vegan, and then we can veganize it. I think it would be a really fun challenge, and it's something I'd love to do anyway. Or it could be a vegan type of meal. So I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have a great day.